Ever feel like you're fighting your own kitchen? Wasting time digging through drawers or untangling utensils? Well, I found 6 magnetic kitchen hacks that actually work, saving you real time and space with just a few quick installs. Stick around, because this is going to change how you cook. First up, the classic magnetic knife rack. Ditch that clunky knife block that dulls your blades and eats up counter space. Mounting is a breeze. Most come with strong adhesive tape for a no-drill setup. But for heavier knives, I always recommend using the included screws for extra safety. Now, grabbing the right knife is instantaneous. Just make sure you mount it high enough to be out of reach of kids, and be mindful of the weight limit. No more fumbling for the right blade mid-chop. Next, let's tackle that chaotic spice drawer with magnetic spice jars. These are a game changer. You can stick them to a metal rail on your wall, the side of your fridge, or even underneath your upper cabinets. With clear lids and easy-to-read labels, you can spot the cumin from the coriander in a split second. A quick tip: when you refill them, make sure the seal is tight to keep your spices fresh. Imagine finding any spice you need instantly. Tired of that one measuring spoon always going missing? Say hello to magnetic measuring spoons. They nest together perfectly, so the whole set stays intact. No more flimsy rings that break or get in the way. You can snap them together and toss them in a drawer, or even hang them on a magnetic strip on your fridge for even faster access. They're usually made from stainless steel, so they're durable, accurate, and easy to clean. Problem solved. Now for the MVP of multitasking, the magnetic utensil holder. This is perfect for the side of your fridge or any metal surface near your stove. Instead of a crowded countertop crock, your most used tools, spatulas, whisks, and ladles are right there, ready to be grabbed with one hand while you're stirring with the other. Just check the magnet's strength and the holder's capacity to make sure it can handle your collection. It keeps your counters clear and your tools within arm's reach. Here's a fun one: the magnetic bottle opener. Mount this bad boy under a cabinet or on the wall near your fridge. When you pop open a bottle, a powerful magnet inside catches the cap before it can fall to the floor. No more bending over to pick up caps or finding them scattered around the morning after a get-together. Just make sure you mount it at a comfortable height. It's a simple, satisfying tool that just works. If this is sparking some ideas for your own kitchen, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I do deep dives on gadgets like these all the time, and I'd love to have you join the community for more kitchen upgrades. All right, back to it. Last but not least, let's solve the dreaded lid avalanche with magnetic pot lid holders. These individual holders can be mounted inside a cabinet door or along a backsplash. They store your lids vertically, separated, and secure. No more noisy, disorganized piles. You can finally see and grab the exact lid you need without causing a metal landslide. Just be sure to space them out correctly to fit your specific lid sizes. So let's do a rapid recap. The magnetic knife rack gives you instant access to your blades. The spice jars eliminate searching. The measuring spoons never get lost. The utensil holder offers one-handed convenience. The bottle opener catches every cap. And the lid holders conquer cabinet clutter. Each one is a small change that adds up to big time and space savings. Now, let's talk value. You can find magnetic gadgets from just a few dollars to over $100. The low-cost options like the bottle opener are great impulse buys. Mid-range items like measuring spoons and utensil holders offer solid daily convenience. But for the best return on investment, my top pick has to be the magnetic knife rack. It clears up the most valuable real estate, your countertop, while also improving your cooking workflow and safety. It's a win-win-win. Before you start installing, here are a few practical tips. Always clean the surface thoroughly before using adhesive mounts. For heavier items or on textured walls, screws are your friend. Pay attention to the weight limits listed by the manufacturer. Overloading a magnetic strip is a recipe for disaster. And for maintenance, a quick wipe down with a damp cloth is all most of these gadgets need to stay looking great. Now, don't just take my word for it. Here's what a viewer, Alex, had to say after trying one of these out. I installed the magnetic spice jars under my cabinet, and wow, it's like my kitchen got twice as big. I can find everything so fast when I'm cooking. The only small issue was that one of my really fine powders, like onion powder, would sometimes get a little stuck in the lid threads if I wasn't careful when closing it. But honestly, the time it saves me is so worth it. So, what do you think? Which one of these magnetic tools would make the biggest difference in your kitchen? Or maybe there's a magnetic gadget I missed. Let me know in the comments below. I'll pick the most requested item and do a full in-depth teardown and review in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.